How to best use email marketing for your business. If you are looking for new and creative ways to market to your internet audience, then you should look into email marketing. Email marketing allows you to grow a list of potential customers who want to hear what you have to say. The video below discusses some great tips on growing and maintaining your list. Don't email people that you do not know. Emailing people who don't know you nor your products can seem like spam. They will question whether they know who you are and if what you are offering matters to them. This most likely will lead them to throw your email in the trash, which in turn just wasted your efforts. The beginning and conclusion of your marketing email should include a call to action for your customers. Be clear about what you want your customer to do, and include at least 2 obvious links to your site. Use clear suggestions that direct your customers to the offer your email is promoting. Promote special offers or limited time sales exclusively through email as a way of fostering excitement in your customers to be receiving your emails. Using email marketing in this way will give customers a return on their time for watching your emails and will most likely gain you referrals as well. In fact, referral programs are great in growing both your customer base and email base. Maximize the results of your email marketing by encouraging your readers to respond to every email. Always read and reply to these emails immediately. Building a personal relationship with each of your readers is the best way to convert them into loyal customers. This is also a good way to get more specific feedback on the success of your efforts. Now that you've read the tips above, you should be better equipped to start your own email marketing campaign. Use what you've learned here and seek out new knowledge so that you can build the largest list possible. With a ready list of interested customers, your business will be booming in no time. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.